Grading essays and short answer assignments can be one of the most time-consuming parts of teaching. Providing meaningful, consistent feedback takes a lot of effort, especially when managing a full classroom and other responsibilities. While some AI tools can assist with grading, they often require extra steps, like manually copying feedback, adjusting responses, and sending it back to students. It's not as seamless as it should be, which is why Edcafe AI created the assignment grader, a smarter, more efficient solution just for teachers. You simply set up your grading criteria, upload your rubric, and the assignment grader automatically reviews assignments and delivers personalized rubric-based feedback directly to your students. Plus, all of that feedback is stored in one place for easy tracking so that you stay organized and your students can easily reflect and improve. Let's go ahead and create our very own assignment grader. The first step is to add your assignment details. This is how your students know what to submit when they're submitting their assignments and gives those instructions, so they'll be able to see that. In our example here, we want students to submit one paragraph describing their favorite season using at least 2 descriptive details. Then we can add in our grading instruction. So this is what the AI will follow, so it knows how to grade your student submissions. For our grading instructions here, we want to highlight any unclear sentences and rewrite them for clarity, following the rubric and giving them examples and a score following the rubric table. Then you can add in your rubric. This is optional, so if you do have one, you can go ahead and submit. Otherwise, you can just leave this blank. I'll go ahead and open our rubric up, and then we'll create our assignment grader. You can give it a name so that way you can access this grader at any time and it will save in the Edcafe library. Then you'll just see this quick review and we can start getting that instant feedback. To get some instant feedback based on your student submissions, click on the submissions icon, then click add a submission. You can either paste in text or you can upload a document that a student has submitted. We'll go ahead and do that. So I will upload a season's paragraph from a student, give that student a name, and then the AI will generate that feedback automatically. You can review this feedback and see what your students did well, what they need to improve. You'll see that those rewritten unclear sentences like we asked the AI to improve and gives a score breakdown based on our rubric. From here, you can always go ahead and edit this feedback. That way you can make adjustments and then send it to students. When you are ready to send it to students, you can either copy it or go ahead and export this and send it to them in that way. Now there is one other way that students can receive their feedback. So you'll also see that we have an assign button here. Similar to some of Edcafe AI's other tools, students can scan this QR code or you can copy this link and send it to them so that way they can access the assignment and submit their work on their own. So from here, just like how the teachers can submit, students can either upload their document or just paste in their text of their example. In this case, our season's paragraph about their favorite season. Then we can add in a name and generate that feedback. And students will automatically get this feedback. So this is great if you just want to have them get that feedback right away and no changes need to be made. Back over on your teacher side, you're able to review all of those submissions in one place, seeing the date and time that those students have submitted, and review the feedback that students received if they've submitted on their own. If you need help thinking of some other activities or assignments, check out the Edcafe AI Lesson Planner feature to help you come up with that and then make your assignment grader.